Welcome to Skiller. Test your Azure Storage security skills with MCQs on firewalls, SAS tokens, access keys, and more. Question 1. Which feature restricts storage account access to specific networks or IP ranges? The correct answer is storage account firewall and virtual network rules. Where the Azure Storage account firewalls and virtual network rules allow access only from approved IP addresses and subnets. Question 2. What is the purpose of a shared access signature, SAS? The correct answer is provide limited and time-bound access to storage resources. SAS tokens grant temporary, granular access to Azure Storage resources without exposing the account keys. Question 3. Which SAS type supports granular access control and works at the container or blob level? The correct answer is Service SAS. As Service SAS provides controlled access to specific services like blobs, queues, or tables. Question 4. What is a stored access policy in Azure Storage? The correct answer is a container-level rule that controls SAS validity and permissions. As stored access policies help centrally manage constraints like expiry or permissions for multiple SAS tokens. Question 5. You regenerate a storage account key. What must you do next? The correct answer is update all applications using the old key. Where the apps using the old key must be updated to use the regenerated key to maintain access. Question 6. Which type of access is recommended over key-based access for Azure files? The correct answer is identity-based access, Azure AD. As Azure AD-based identity access is more secure and manageable than distributing account keys. Question 7. Which Azure service allows you to define access control based on identity for Azure files? The correct answer is Azure RBAC. Where Azure Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, allows identity-based access to resources like Azure files. Question 8. What happens if both the network firewall and SAS token permissions conflict? The correct answer is firewall wins. Firewall settings take precedence. Even with a valid SAS, access is blocked if the firewall disallows it. Question 9. What does regenerating a storage access key affect? The correct answer is all resources using that key. Access keys are used by apps and services, regenerating them invalidates the previous ones. Question 10. How can you prevent accidental deletion of a stored access policy? The correct answer is enable delete locks on the container. As using a delete lock protects containers and their policies from accidental or unauthorized deletion. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.